Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Dr. Rajiv Dhawan, learned senior counsel, submits that although in oral statements it was stated by the witness that birthplace of Lord Ram is below the middle dome, but in fact Ram Chabutra, which was outside the three dome structure on the left side in outer courtyard, was the birthplace of Lord Ram. Stop. He submits that in the judgment of the suit filed in 1885 by Mahant Raghubar Das, also the Janmsthan was treated to be Ram Chabutra Para. The sequence of the events as noticed above clearly indicate that faith and belief of Hindus was that birthplace of Lord Ram was in the three dome structure mosque, which was constructed at the Janmsthan stop. It was only during the British period that grilled wall was constructed, dividing the walled premises of the mosque into inner courtyard and outer courtyard stop. Grilled iron wall was constructed to keep Hindus outside the grilled iron wall in the outer courtyard stop. In view of the construction of the iron wall, the worship and puja started in Ram Chabutra in the outer courtyard stop. Suit of 1885 was filed seeking permission to construct temple on the said Chabutra, where worship was permitted by the British authority. Faith and belief of the Hindus, as depicted by the evidence on record, clearly established that the Hindus believe that at the birthplace of Lord Ram, the mosque was constructed and three tomb structure is the birthplace of Lord Ram. Stop. The fact that Hindus were by constructing iron wall, dividing mosque premises, kept outside the three dome structure cannot be said to alter their faith and belief regarding the birthplace of Lord Ram. Stop. The worship on the Ram Chabutra in the outer courtyard was symbolic worship of Lord Ram, who was believed to be born in the premises. Stop. Para. It is thus concluded on the conclusion that faith and belief of Hindus since prior to construction of mosque and subsequent thereto has always been that Janmsthan of Lord Ram is the place where Babri Mosque has been constructed, which faith and belief is proved by documentary and oral evidence discussed above. Stop. Para. The oral evidence, as noticed above, of the witness examined on behalf of plaintiff of suit number, plaintiffs of suit number 3, and even witness examined on behalf of plaintiff of suit number 4 clearly prove faith and belief of Hindus that Janmsthan of Lord Ram is the place where Babri Mosque has been constructed. Stop. Their dome structure was treated as birthplace of Lord Ram. Stop. People worship of the three dome structure, parikrama of the entire premises by the devotees have been amply proved by oral evidences led in the suit stop.